snow-capped peaks of Himalayas glisten as the first rays of sunlight touched them. Remote and majestic, with wisp of clouds playing hide-and-seek later in the morning. Hidden from view by a myriad clouds as the day progressed, golden in the dying sunlight and silver-streaked by moonlight. The moods of the season played different tunes. In winter, they stood totally covered by snow, untouched. In the spring, they whispered promises of times to come. In the summer, they hid from the view of curious onlookers. In the monsoons, they speckled with every hue of the rainbow. And in the autumn, they prepared to remain aloof. Trekking without a destination is just like walking through countryside. It is the best way of getting to know any land, its people, culture, and traditions. This is possible only if one starts off with an open mind and a humble attitude. The Himalayan region of Kumaon is a storehouse of natural beauty beyond belief. Protected from the onslaught of the outside world, the Himalayan ecology remains well conserved here, making the region a great retreat for the lovers of nature. Among various glaciers in Himalayas regions of Kumaon is Milam. Located in the Pithoragarh district on the Indo-Tibetan border, the route offers a mix of trekking along the vibrant valleys of the Gauri Ganga and amongst the mountain range that borders the Nanda Devi range. Indeed, this trek to Milam Glacier is amongst the best of tracks in this region. It takes you through some of the remotest areas with breathtaking panorama. Finally reaching the glacier, one is awed by the splendor of majestic Mount Trishul at 7,070 meters, which stands tall, dwarfing everything in the vicinity. The trail passes through high alpine meadows with panoramic views of Panchachuli, Nanda Devi, and peaks of Nepal. Impressive waterfalls and forest of rhododendron, conifers, chestnut, and bamboo. The Milam Glacier lies at the base of the Great Himalayan Wall. It is fed by the Nanda Devi on the west and Panchachuli and Kalabandar glaciers from the east. This mixed glacier system is the source of the Gauri Ganga river and offers breathtaking views of an area that abounds in natural beauty. Described as one of the most beautiful regions in the Indian Himalayas, the area has only been reopened to foreigners since 1993. The route follows the Gauri Ganga river through wild landscapes and now deserted villages to the base of Milam Glacier. Encircled by great Himalayan peaks of Rishi Pahar at 6,992 meters, Trishul 1 at 7,074 meters and Hardeol at 7,151 meters. From here you can sidetrack to the Lawn Valley to view the mesmerizing Nanda Devi East from the base camp. This classic trek takes you along this alluring valley through alpine meadow, forest and high valleys to view some of the most significant peaks in the region. Munsiari. The starting point for the Millam track is a day's drive and is easily accessible by road from Kathgodam. The last rail heads via Almora. From Almora, you travel up to Berinag at a height of 2,100 meters. From Berinag, you reach Thal in about 1 hour and then reach Munsiari at a height of 2,300 meters in another 3 hours. Munsiari is the center as well as the gateway to the Johor region. One gets to see Panchachuli from very close distance. It is the base camp of trekking